right, so from the gym to the streets, activewear has become a major fashion statement. Long time. Founder of Buttaa JA, Marisa Chisholm, is here to talk about the inspiration behind her sportswear brand, Buttaa JA. And she has some models to showcase some of the line's pieces. Good morning. Thanks for joining us.
Simone.
So, are you a fitness girly?
I am. I'm a fitness enthusiast. I've been working out for 6+ years. So I'm very true to this.
Okay. And what you do in the gym? Everything?
I do everything. I have different days for different things: upper body, full body, lower body.
Yoga, Pilates, or you just
I'm not big on Pilates, but I do try to do classes occasionally. But I'm a gym girly through.
Okay. So when did you decide that you wanted to start a gym line for yourself?
I mean, it has been in the works for around 2 years now, but I officially started last year on my birthday, which was in July. I mean, I'm passionate about fitness, so I had the plans. I was doing research. I was testing vendors, samples, stuff like that for a good while, just to ensure that I nailed it. And then I made the decision to start on my birthday. So that was a gift to myself.
Oh, happy birthday. What a great gift.
Thank you.
And so is this just out of a passion for gymming, or is this, a desire to kind of build something bigger than yourself?
It's a desire to build something bigger than myself, because even though I love gym and I love working out, I've always been like, I always share what I learn in the gym. You understand? That's my purpose. So I also want to give that back, because even though people and clients, customers will still ask me about fitness tips, and I'm comfortable doing that, and I wanted them to get what I'm getting as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me about the name.
Buttaa. So the name is, Jamaican slang, butter, but I had to put
smooth like
butter. So when I was testing samples, I was like, I love this. This is exactly what I want. And the name just came to me. Buttaa.
Smooth like butter.
Yeah.
Okay. Chiffon, Madre, a joke. But I'm looking at the ladies, and I see different designs for different body types, which is fantastic, because there's some people who feel left out, right?
No, we're all about inclusivity. I feel like every woman should be catered to, so Buttaa aims to provide that.
So when you were going through, how difficult was it for you in the testing phase and so on to be able to come up with exactly what you wanted?
I mean, it was a bit difficult, and I did hit a couple hurdles, but I feel like when you're passionate about something and when you're true to it, it's worth it. So it's not like you stress on the issues that you go through or the struggles that you have. So it was worth it in the long run to me, so I don't really count it as anything major.
And so how's it been going since you...
It's been going good. I'm super grateful for my community, for my friends, for my family. Like, most of these girls are my friends and my customers. The feedback has been overwhelming. There's a lot in the works. I just want to, continue growing and give back as well, so you guys can look out for that.
Fantastic. All right, let's talk through some of the pieces that you have here, Marisa. Let's start with our red gym girlie. Come on out there, mama. Talk me through now, Marisa.
Okay, so this is the Chile set.
What's it called?
Chile. So hot, like red hot.
Oh,
red hot. So the good thing about this set is it has an internal bra.
Yes, thank you so much,
It's not
Marisa.
just sleeves and style and aesthetics. It gives you the support for ladies with, bigger boobs or that coverage. So yeah. Nice set, good material.
Chile.
I wish you guys could feel it, but yeah, this is Chile red hot.
And it's a hot butter.
Yeah, hot butter.
I love it, and I love the off the shoulder.
Yeah.
Because gym wear can be cute, everybody.
And you also want something that can go to if you need to stop at the supermarket, you can do that. You're not fully naked, you're a bit covered. Yeah.
She's feeling herself. Let me just... All right, clock it out. What about your business for me now, please? Because there are 3 more people who we need to see. All right, come on out. Talk me through now.
So this set is Alexis, standard set. Great for showing the back, because that's in right now. A lot of ladies are working the back, as you can see, open back. Good support, twist detail at the front, and then it has like a compression at the waist. So, gives your figure that snatching feature.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Chile will hold you in the areas that you need to.
Yeah.
Alexis
will have you comfortable.
Yes,
not doing too much, flexible. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Gym wear, Pilates,
Yeah, for sure. All right, come on out. Who's our next girlie?
This next set is a tennis or golf set.
Yes.
Because, you know, as you said,
Or pickleball.
Pickleball, so we have something for everyone. This is a skirt set. She also has, the skirt has a shorts. So there's a built-in shorts underneath it for that support. So you don't have to feel like you're wearing a shorts and you're naked. You're fully covered. Thumb hole details, support at the boobs. Yeah.
Okay.
Full back.
Got it.
Yeah.
Marisa said I've got everybody covered. And then this one is so, I don't know if I could wear this to the gym. I would feel too pretty in this.
This one, she's called Valeria. The color is beautiful. I mean, this is for, you know, a grown woman like you. This would fit you. You understand, somebody more mature, but something sexy.
Yes.
And as I said, they all have an internal bra. So you're good. You're safe. Support snatching details at the waist. Great for Pilates, gym wear, anything that you have in mind.
Yes, this is nice.
Yeah.
Okay. No, stay there, follow Clive, yeah, and can't get up. You try going over, so.
Yeah.
All right. So the what is your best seller right now? What are we flocking to?
My best seller right now is actually sold out. Yeah.
Is it any of these that are here? No.
I would say the Valeria is going fast as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are the other variations that you have? Do you carry all-in-ones? Do you?
I have jumpsuit. I have everything. Jumpsuits, short sets, full sets, skirt sets. I have a little of everything. I also have accessories. So those leg warmers that they're currently wearing, those are all Buttaa.
Nice.
Yes, and I do also have like gloves, silicone gloves.
Socks?
Everything. I'm trying to extend into the field.
Excellent. Yeah. Okay, what is that picture that we're looking at, Marisa? Put it back, put the picture back. That lady's reaching for fruits, but mine does she look good?
That's the best seller, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That's the best seller.
That's a perfect ad, Marisa. You don't need nothing after that.
No, you're seeing the logo clearly.
Yes, well, yes, we sure are.
Yeah.
And so where do we find your stuff now?
So you can reach out to us on Instagram. We have an Instagram page, which is Buttaa JA, and we also have a storefront location, which is inside the AbLab Fitness Studio. So yeah, that's off Waterloo. Yeah.
Okay. Ladies, you feel good in the pieces you have on?
They love it.
And you are also wearing...
I'm also wearing my brand. Okay.
Yes.
So this is Buttaa JA standard tube top with the matching leggings.
Does it have a strap?
No.
Okay.
It's a tube top with an open back.
Okay.
I don't know if I can show
Yes,
you.
yes, sure. No, it's gym wear you have on.
Open back, and then
right.
it has the logo at the back here as well.
Okay.
So everything has the logo.
And turn around, let's see.
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay.
This is
So you can work out in this too?
You can, I do.
Okay.
But you know, it depends. I also sell jackets. So some women want the coverage, they want the style, but they want to be covered with it.
You have everything.
I have everything. Don't worry, I got you.
You want to see Buttaa sneakers are come out?
You know what?
Okay. See, look at me looking into my crystal ball. I know what's going on. So we find you at Buttaa,
Buttaa JA.
And at AbLab
Fitness
Studios in Waterloo. Thank you very much, ladies. We want to look at you again. Thank you very much.
Thank you for
all
having
the best
me.
to you.
Thank you so much.
I shall be coming to check out your stuff. As a fitness girl in myself. Chillin', Alexis.
Tennis/golf. And then we have Valeria.
All righty. That is it for our life and style. Marisa Chisholm, founder of Buttaa JA. Soon come. All right, so after the break, folks. Welcome to... No, stay. After the break, two little dancers are going to teach us some dance moves. Clive, you were caught on camera. You're so loud.